Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do two easy to do neon nail art which is perfect for summer, and you can do these nail arts easily at home. So without any further delay, let's start with my today's tutorial. Here I am applying base coat, and after base coat I am applying 2 coats of a glitter nail polish, and after that I am applying fast drying top coat to smooth the surface and make sure my nail polish is completely dry. Now I am adding tape on my nails to cover the half part of my nail. I am pressing the tape gently with help of a toothpick to make sure there is no gap. And now here I am applying a neon orange nail polish on those open spaces. After applying nail polish, remove the tape before nail polish dries out completely, but remove it gently. Now with a thin nail art brush, I am drawing a curved line which is smaller than the previous one and filling the lower bottom side of my nail. Now with a neon pink polish, I am drawing a stripe line. I kept 0.2 mm gap in between the pink and orange lines. So I have finished my neon cutout nail art with a glossy top coat, and now let's begin with the second one. And this one is gradient nail art. And I don't think so I need to explain about this one because you already know how to do gradient nail art. So enjoy! And here is the final look of my nail art. These nail arts are perfect for summer, and plus point is you can do these nail arts for any pool party or any summer vacation you want. So that's all about my today's video. If you like my work, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know which video you would like to see next week, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell icon to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Bye bye.